The process of developing drugs is a complex and rigorous journey that involves multiple stages of testing to ensure that new medications are both safe and effective for human use. This process is essential because the introduction of any new drug carries the potential for significant impact on public health, both positive and negative. The development of a new drug generally follows three main stages of testing: preclinical testing, clinical trials, and regulatory review. The first stage, preclinical testing, involves laboratory research and experiments conducted on cells, tissues, and animals. This phase is crucial for understanding how the drug works at a basic biological level. Scientists study the drug's pharmacokinetics, how the drug is absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and excreted by the body, and pharmacodynamics, how the drug affects the body. Preclinical testing helps to identify potential therapeutic effects and possible side effects or toxicity. The use of animal models in this stage is particularly important to observe how the drug interacts with living organisms and to predict how it might behave in humans. Only if a drug shows promise in these preclinical studies will it move on to the next stage of development. The second stage, clinical trials, is divided into three phases and involves testing the drug on human participants. Clinical trials are critical for determining whether the drug is safe and effective in treating the intended condition in humans. Phase 1 trials are the first time the drug is tested in humans, typically in a small group of healthy volunteers. The primary goal in this phase is to assess the drug's safety, determine a safe dosage range, and identify any side effects. Researchers monitor how the drug is tolerated by the body, with a focus on safety rather than efficacy at this stage. If Phase 1 trials are successful, the drug moves on to Phase 2 trials, which involve a larger group of participants, including individuals who have the condition the drug is designed to treat. This phase aims to further evaluate the drug's safety and begin assessing its efficacy. Researchers collect data on the drug's effectiveness in treating the disease, as well as additional information on side effects and optimal dosing. Phase 3 trials are even larger and involve a more diverse population. These trials are designed to confirm the drug's effectiveness, monitor side effects, and compare it to standard treatments or a placebo. Phase 3 trials often involve several thousand participants and are conducted over a longer period. The data collected in this phase is critical for determining whether the drug should be approved for widespread use. The final stage in drug development is the regulatory review. After successful completion of clinical trials, the drug developer submits a new drug application, NDA, or similar documentation to regulatory bodies, such as the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, in the United States or the European Medicines Agency, EMA, in Europe. These regulatory agencies thoroughly review the data from all stages of testing to ensure that the drug is safe, effective, and of high quality. This review process includes evaluating the results of the clinical trials, the manufacturing process, and labeling information to ensure that the drug can be safely produced and prescribed. If the regulatory agency is satisfied with the evidence provided, the drug is approved for use and can be marketed to the public. However, even after approval, the drug continues to be monitored through post-marketing surveillance to identify any long-term side effects or issues that may arise as it is used by a broader population. This ongoing monitoring ensures that the drug remains safe and effective in the real world. The three main stages of drug testing are designed to minimize risks and maximize the potential benefits of new medications. This careful and methodical approach is essential for protecting public health and ensuring that new treatments contribute positively to medical care.